Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will learn how to add educational institution leads from Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. So here let's say that I have an educational institution and to promote that I have created a lead gen form. So now I want whenever a new lead is captured, then automatically by using the same lead details, I wish to add those details in my Google spreadsheet. So to do that, I need to have an integration between these two applications. For that, I will be using Pabbly Connect, where my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So now, whenever a new lead will be captured, then automatically the details of that new lead will be added in my Google Sheets. So to learn how I set up this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will learn that how you can add educational institution leads from Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. So assume that you are running some ads for your educational institute and for which you have also created a lead ad form, and now you want that whenever a new lead is captured, that lead detail should be automatically added over here in this Google Sheet. So to automate this entire process, I will sign into my Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and at the time of account creation, you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I will sign in. Now this is the all applications page by Pabbly. I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will click on this create workflow button. And I have named my workflow as Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets, and over here on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to create this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead, so I have selected it, and now I will simply click on create. And as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So basically action is the response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So moving further, as my objective was to add educational institution leads from Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets, so in this trigger window of mine, as my trigger application, I will be selecting it as Facebook lead ads and I will select it. Moving to trigger event, that will be new lead. And now as I've selected my trigger application and my trigger event, now I need to establish a connection between my Facebook account with Pabbly Connect. So to do that, I will simply click on this connect button. And if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can simply add a new connection. So over here to add a new connection, you need to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. I've already opened this in one of my tabs. Now I will simply click on it. And over here you can see that the authorization was successful and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected with Facebook lead ads. So moving further over here, I need to select the page and the lead gen form associated with it. So now what I will do is I will take you to my Facebook page. It is by the name of St. James Higher Education, and now I will go to Pabbly Connect, and over here I will search for my page name. St. James, here it is. So now I need to select the lead gen form. Here in my Facebook page, I will go to Meta Business Suite, and over here I will go to all tools, and now I will go to instant forms, and here you can see that I have created 3 lead gen forms for my page. So I have selected this new lead form which I want to use. So I will simply go back to Pabbly Connect, and over here as the lead gen form from this drop down, I will select it as new lead form. So here read this note that please note that after clicking the save and send test request button, you will need to make a sample submission of your lead generation form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So over here, I'm not running any live advertisement in order to generate a dummy lead. So I'm going to use the Facebook lead ad testing tool. So over here in this important note, click on learn more, and over here you can find the instructions clearly, and by scrolling down here you will find the link for Facebook lead ads testing tool along with the instructions. So I will click on this, and here is the lead ads testing tool. So in this, you have to select your page and the lead form that is associated with it. Then you simply have to click on preview form and submit the lead details. So let me show you how you can do that. So I will simply click on save and send test. So now to fill out this lead gen form, I need to go to Meta for developers. And now over here in lead ads testing tool, I have got this lead generation form. So over here, I have filled in the details. And now I will simply click on next, and now I will click on submit. So here you can see that it says, thanks, you are all set. You can visit our website or exit the form now. That means my lead gen form is successfully submitted. So I will close this. And here you can see that your test lead has been sent. To create a new lead, please delete this one. So as I've already created a lead right now, so now I will take you back to Pabbly Connect and show you the response. Now here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that the response is captured. Over here, you can see the email, you can see the full name along with the phone number and some other details. So here I have got the response of that lead gen form. The first step of our automation is successfully done. So now whenever a new lead will be captured, then this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So moving further, as I want to add this Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and I will go to my action window, and over here as my action application, I will search for Google Sheets, and here it is. After selecting Google Sheets as my action application, I need to select the action event that will be add new row. Now I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So I will simply click on connect. And over here, if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same or you can simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, you just need to sign in with Google. And now I will allow the access because it is a secure connection. And the authorization was successful. Now over here you can see that Pabbly Connect is successfully connected with Google Sheets. So moving further, over here I need to select my spreadsheet. So I've already created a spreadsheet by the name of Facebook Leads New, and over here I've mentioned 3 columns as lead email, lead name and phone number. So moving back to Pabbly Connect, over here I will select my spreadsheet as Facebook Leads New. And now to the select sheet part. So over here you can see that my spreadsheet only has one sheet. So over here in Pabbly Connect, it has already selected it. Moving to lead email, lead name and phone number. So now to enter this information, I'm going to use a method which is known as mapping. So as I click on this, you can see that the previous step is visible. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So over here from the previous step, that was Facebook lead adds new lead. Over here from the response received, I will map the email ID and I have mapped it. Now I will map the lead name from the response received. I will search for the name. And here is the name, I have mapped it. Moving to phone number, again I will map it from the response received. So here it is and I have mapped it. Now this method is important so that every time your workflow runs, it will receive some new information. So that new information should be gathered over here in these fields by replacing this old information. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, even my workflow was running in real time, it wouldn't have taken the new data as it would have only accepted the old data. So to avoid that, we map the information. So now over here, I will simply click on save and send test request to see the response. So here I have received a response and it is a positive one. I have received the spreadsheet ID, table range, updated spreadsheet ID along with some other details. Now I will take you to my Google spreadsheet to show you that the details of this new lead is successfully added over there. So here you can see the lead email, lead name and phone number. That means the details of that new lead is successfully added over here in my Google spreadsheet. So this integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets was a successful one. Now whenever a new lead will be created, then automatically the details of that new lead will be added in Google Sheets. So this integration and automation was a successful one.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you liked this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.